In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up conditional options for properties. By the end, you'll know how to make a drop-down show only the options that are relevant based on other information, which keeps your data clean and makes forms faster to fill out. Start on your main dashboard after signing in. From here, open your settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon in the top navigation. This takes you to the area where you manage objects, fields, and all the behind-the-scenes configuration for your account. Next, go to Properties. This is where every field that appears on your records and forms lives. On the Properties page, open the drop-down at the top to access the Object Switcher. This lets you move between contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and more. Choose Company Properties so you're working on fields that belong to company records. If you're setting this up for another object, the approach is the same, but today we'll stay with companies. Now, find the specific property you want to control. You can scroll the list or use the search bar to type the property name. Pick a property that uses a select type field, such as a drop-down select or multiple checkboxes, since conditional options apply to fields with predefined choices. Open the property to get into its settings. In the Property Settings view, look for the section dedicated to conditional options. Here's where you define which options should appear under certain conditions. For example, you might show different industry subcategories based on the selected parent industry. Map each option to the condition that should reveal it. Keep your labels clear and consistent, and avoid overlapping conditions that could confuse users. If the property supports dependencies on another field, be sure that the controlling field is already set up with the choices you intend to reference. As you configure each condition, think about the simplest path for your users. Fewer, smarter options reduce errors and make reporting stronger. If there's a preview available, use it to confirm the logic looks right. Also, note that you may need the right permissions to edit properties. If you can't access these settings, contact an administrator. When you're satisfied with the configuration, click Save. Saving applies the conditional logic to that property across your account. From now on, the drop-down will only display the options that match your rules, improving data quality without adding extra steps for your team. That's it. You've set up conditional options for properties, making your fields smarter and your records more reliable.